Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Bee Planner Happy, and today we are going to decorate a week in my Skinny Mini Gratitude Journal. So it's April, and I didn't film one for last week. Basically, I just did this. I was in a rush, wanted to decorate it, so I just did it, and basically it's that. Okay, so this week I want to use Adventure Calls. This was from like a bundle, I think, on Happy Planner's website, and I believe they still have it. It's a really cute sticker book. It's got a lot of cute small things in it, which is perfect for, you know, the Skinny Mini. And today I wanted to do this page. I thought this was really cute. It's got like all kinds of cute little camping things, and then I grabbed this washi and I started to tear it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brown like this, and since it's clear enough, I'm not going to worry about, you know, the dates, but I'm just going to do like that on every line, so like this. But I'll pause the video and do that real quick so you guys don't have to sit through all of it. But just to give you an idea, basically, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put the washi on, tore it in half, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I want to use all of these cute little trees. I'm going to start with just a little tree here, like that. And then I do want to do like a little, let's see, let's use this big one down here since it's pretty big. I think that's really cute. Only thing is our sun's going to be like cut off, so maybe I just cut the sun off. How about we do that? Yeah, I like the sun, but I don't like the fact that it's going to be, you know, going over the, although I guess I could cut the washi. How would that look if I cut the one? I think that'll look weird if I cut the washi. Sorry, Mr. Sun, but you are going to go. All right, so now it'll work. Let's do like this. Make sure everybody's on there. Good. All right, that's cute. I want to do like a little campground theme or scene. Let's do, I think I want it on the other side actually. Let's try this one. Let's see. Let's put this here. I don't like how it's floating, but we're just going to have to live with it like that. And then a little thing here. And then let's put the Mr. Doggy. He's like, he's there. He's at that campground, so he wants to go into the tent. Okay, so let's do some, how about some wildlife over here on this one. I don't like that he's there and he's there like that. Let's put him down here. Kind of want to put him on the dirt. And where is he going? I'm thinking he might be going towards the tent also because he thinks there's food in there. So that's where he's going. And then I want some trees behind this one. And I think what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to cut some of these because they kind of don't work the way that they are. So I'm going to cut this right here. And I'm going to cut this right here. And let's see if that works better. I'm going to put this one here like that. And then these can go a little further down like that. And then what can be over here? Maybe the other bear? They know each other. So they're going to meet up over there and get some food. Let's see. I do like this. So maybe this one's over at the gas tank, right? Because I kind of like the gas tank too. Let's put this one here. Oh, I just hit my camera thing. All right, so he needs gas. Although, now that I say that, duh, you don't put gas in that. You put gas in a, maybe it should be over here. You put gas in the car that pulls that thing. So yeah, that's kind of silly. Let's see, this one's, I like this one. So it's saying gas that way. Yep. Okay, and I want something here. How about, let's put the highway, Route 66, because that's where you're going to get your gas. Okay, and then we just need one more little scene down here. I definitely want to use the deer. Where do I want the deer? And I like him too. So maybe we just do like, I think maybe, let's see, does the squirrel fit up at the top? For April, he does. Okay. And then I think maybe we can do like, I kind of wanted to use the backpack, but it's kind of weird to have the backpack there. And I don't know, I don't like the way this looks. Let me try situating it like this. Do I like that better? Or does it look like now it's like falling over, doesn't it? All right, fine. He's gonna have to go like this. There, that looks better. All right, I guess over here what we can do is, let's see, the deer is gonna be looking at the trail. And he's like, I wanna go over there. And let's use some of these trees to kind of do this. I kind of like that, except for this little bitty tree here. Let's cut that little bitty tree off. Put this together. And put that there like that. Okay. And just kind of continues it on. And then over here, what do we want? I don't know, it's cute, but it's just kind of weird to have it just kind of floating in the air. Right? That looks okay. And then let's put this here, because that's like, you know, finding our way. We just have to cut it off. Right there. And right there. And then let's see, I've got some of these little trees. I'm going to put these at the top, because we can still use these. And now everything's sticking to my fingers. I think there's one more here. Yep, there is. Let's see. Let's trim it. And then I'm going to put it right up here. Put there. And then these little ones. No tree left behind. We are going to use all these cute little trees. One right there. This one. Right here. Okay. And then, I don't know, should he be by the backpack? Maybe he got the nuts out of the backpack. Does the backpack fit? Let me see if the backpack fits first. Guess it would be this one. Yeah, it fits. I think he's going to be getting that. He got some nuts out of the backpack. because everything needs to make sense, you know? There we go. Okay. That's cute. Do we have any more little trees that we want to add? I mean, I guess we could cut one of these off. I think it needs a little more. I think it needs a few more of these little trees. So I'm going to cut these like that. And then like that. Okay. That's cute. Let's put a few more of these right here. Where is it? There's a little bitty one. Cute. Okay. Well, that's cute. I don't know that we need anything else. Nope. I think we are good on this simple little camping spread. Let's see. Oh, it looks even better. You know what? Let me get my punch. Hold on. Okay. Got my punch. So you just line it up and you punch through, and it works great. There is a link to this in the description of the video below in case if you don't have one. They really just come in super handy. And you know, something that I realized that I didn't know before, one didn't cut too good. It's got a little compartment here for pulling out. Let's see, how was it that I did it? I think it needs to be locked maybe. I pulled it out the other day. Oh, now I can't get it out. Oh no, it's here. No wonder. Right there. And this thing was like full of those little mushroom pieces. I was like, oh my God. I guess, yeah, it makes sense. I would have to empty that out every once in a while. Oh, forgot to do this one. So, yeah, check yours if you have one and see if how full it is. I probably had like, I don't know, a year's worth of punching. So it holds a lot, which is funny because you wouldn't think that little bitty compartment, but it was stacked with mushrooms, with the little mushroom pieces. Okay. Oh, nope. I got to cut this little tree off right here. Whoop. All right. Super cute little skinny mini. Perfect just for jotting down, you know, what you're grateful for. Some people use these for appointments also, which would be really fun and easy. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.